You've been told say it enough times and it will come true. So you try affirmations like, I am confident, but deep down, a little voice says, no, you're not. You say it again and again, but nothing seems to change. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you why affirmations often don't work and the 5 keys to making them finally stick. Because the problem isn't you, it's how affirmations are being used. Let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. Affirmations are not magic spells. You can't just say, I am confident, and expect instant change. Without belief, without action, without emotion, affirmations are like pouring water into a cup with holes. Your subconscious mind is too smart for surface level words. It needs depth, and that's exactly what we'll uncover next. Here are 7 uncommon reasons affirmations fail. You don't believe what you're saying. If it feels fake, your brain resists it. That internal yeah right voice kicks in. You have unaddressed limiting beliefs. If you secretly believe I'm not enough, no amount of repetition will override that until it's healed. You're not taking aligned action. Saying, I'm confident means nothing if you hide from the challenges that you face every day. They're too vague or exaggerated. I'm a billionaire won't land if your rent's overdue. The mind rejects what feels unreal. You are ignoring the subconscious mind. Real change happens deep down through emotion, repetition, and visualization. Negative self-talk is overpowering them. One weak affirmation can't compete with a constant inner critic. You're going through the motions if you're reciting affirmations like a checklist. They'll feel empty and do nothing. So how do you fix affirmations and make them stick? Start with believable affirmations. Don't jump into I'm wildly successful. Start with each day I'm becoming more focused and resilient. Your brain can believe that and build on it. Pair them with real life action. Say it, then do something that proves it. Action reinforces identity. Repeat consistently. Your brain rewires through repetition. Prime your mind in the morning or just before sleep when your subconscious is most open. Add emotion and visualization. Don't just say it, feel it. Picture the result. Make it real in your mind. Align them with your core values. Generic affirmations don't stick. Say what matters to you. Affirmations are powerful, but they're not a quick fix. They're a practice, a process, a tool for transformation. When you combine belief, emotion, repetition, and action, affirmations can literally reshape your brain and change how you show up in the world. So now I want to hear from you. What affirmation have you struggled to believe in the past? Drop it in the comments, and I'll reply with a better version you can actually feel good about using. And don't stop here. If you want to know what science says about whether affirmations actually work, watch this video next. Is it scientifically proven that affirmations work? Click the link to watch now.